Hello, Zippo over here again. Just received a new lighter in the mail today, and this is a nice one in my opinion. The model number on this one is 28672 Boot Laces, and here it is. It's a toffee finish with a boot printed on the front side. You see the boot laces. This one has a retail price at $28.95. I think I paid $18. You got the same finish as the candy apple red one with a street chrome at the bottom and a coating over that. So let's remove the stickers. Let's see. I like how easy it is to remove the stickers on this type of finish. There. Don't leave any residue behind. So here it is. It's a pretty nice print. Like I said, the toffee finish. This one was made in D of 2014, Bedford, Pennsylvania, made in USA. Nothing special with the case or the insert. You can listen to the sound of it. A little dull, but okay. The insert on this one was made in E of 14, so 1 month later than the case. So a new one in my collection. Not to be a user, so that's about it. So stay tuned for more Zippo unboxings. So see you all later, guys. Bye bye.